Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay guys, I have filmed this video way too many times, but I have to do a shortened version because the 1 hour video that I wanted to upload was too long to upload. So we're just gonna do a shortened version. I want to keep it like 15 minutes and under of what happened during my previous relationship with Elijah. And I want everybody to know what he truly did and who he truly is as a person. Because I'm not gonna sit here and let him play fucking victim when I'm the victim here. Okay? Because this shit was traumatic for me to experience as a 17-year-old female at the time. And a little bit when I was 18 too, because we were dating when I turned 18 as well. So I want to clear up the big rumors first, because there's a lot of rumors that are going around that are not true, and it's fucking frustrating because I'm not going to sit here and let lies be spread about me when I know what the fucking truth is. And he's lied about the same shit about multiple girls. Hey guys, this is me editing like 2 hours after I filmed this shit. I just want to like clear up that I literally forgot to mention what I was literally talking about in that exact clip. He literally said that I begged him to have sex. That never ever happened. I've never begged any guy to have sex with me, so absolute bullshit. I never begged to have sex after we broke up. That's a fucking lie. And he said that happened. No, the real truth is, I went over to his house, we got fucked up, whatever. I went home and he fucking texted me and saying I'm horny, and I was like, okay, same. And he said slide back over, so I went back over and we had fucking sex. And he likes to say that that never happened when he literally told all my friends that it did as well, so everybody can back me up. And he said the exact same thing about 2 other girls that he had sex with because he wanted to protect his girlfriend. Alright, that's it. It's just frustrating. So, number 1, I never cheated on Eli. There's no proof, nothing happened, because I never did it. And I never cheated on Eli with his friends either. Like, if I was going to cheat, it would not be with his friends. So the fact that this rumor is I cheated on him with his one best friend at the time, who they're no longer really close anymore because of me, but I never fucking cheated on him with him. It's so frustrating. It never happened. And I also never cheated on him with another one of his friends either. That never fucking happened, and I can openly say that I dated his friend like after we broke up for like 2 weeks, but then I broke up with him because I was like, no, this is wrong. I also want to clear up that I was the one who broke up with Eli. He has this big ego, so like he likes to say that he's broke up with all the females that he's dated. No. I broke up with him, and I clearly remember the breakup because we were sitting on the porch and I said, go get my shoes, I'm breaking up with you. So I broke up with him. Just that simple. So I hate his ego about, I left you because, or I had to leave because, or da-da-da-da. You didn't fucking leave, motherfucker. I did. I said, peace out, I'm fucking done with your abuse and your manipulative bullshit. This is where it gets good. The abuse part. It all started in April, and it just grew through May and the beginning of June. April. Oh, great. Oh, goody. I had fresh cut marks on my leg. Heaven forbid I was going through a rough time. Eli did not like that very much and slapped the fucking shit out of my fresh cut marks. If you do this again, I'll slap you harder, is what the motherfucker said straight to my face, and I took it as not abusive at the time, but I'm looking at it now and I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know who the fuck does that. It's kind of weird, but at the time I was like, oh, he's just trying to get me to stop. He cares about me. No, he just wanted an excuse to fucking hit me. So there you go. And the arm grabbing situation as well. He would grab me by my arms so hard to the point where I would cry and there would be bruises left on my wrist. You can ask anybody that was there. You can in fact ask his foster mom if you would like about the bruises that were left on my arm. And there was a specific instance on a specific night where I was at his house, and here's a video of us before it happened.
And I have 2 Yes.
POV making ice cream.
You're not making ice cream, you're just putting it away, you know?
POV. We looked all happy and jolly, right? For the fucking internet. Because nobody on the internet knew what a shitty relationship we fucking had. Because we kept it private, for the most part, about what the fuck was really going on. I'm not staying silent no more, you fucking asshole. You know what? That same night, we got into a fight. We're in the bedroom. I'm in the fucking front of the bed. He's on the bed laying on his stomach facing me, and he just lunges at me and grabs my arm, and he's squeezing on it like right here, and he just keeps squeezing and squeezing and squeezing, and he asked me straight to my face, "Does this hurt yet?" And he kept squeezing my arm, and I kept looking at him, and I kept saying, "This isn't you, Eli. This isn't you. This is not you." And after I said it hurt finally, because it did, I started crying, that shit hurt so bad, he lets go. And he just looks down, and I'm like, what is this motherfucker looking at? And he starts bawling his eyes out. Why the fuck did he get the fucking audacity to cry? Who gave him the audacity to fucking cry when he just sat there and openly fucking did that to me? Here's the screenshot of him apologizing for it, or, you know, being like, I will never do this again. I was in the fucking next room over. He couldn't come fucking get me and apologize to my face for the shit that he just put me through. An asshole. Like, and I decided not to spend the night that night. There was no way I was fucking sleeping over after that shit, so I went my pretty ass home at 3 o'clock in the morning. Cause fuck no, I'm not fucking doing that shit. And, there was another night, and this is the big story that I just want to share with the internet, because I kept quiet about this for a very long time. Only my friend Bree and her sister know about this. I'm not friends with Bree no more, but you know, we were. So, we were fighting one night, and he said some really slick shit. I can't remember what he said, because I'm not thinking about that right now. So I like said something back, or like, I don't know, I might have said something that really pissed him off. And he just grabs me by my throat, squeezing it so hard, and throws me down on the bed. And it's like, I don't remember what he said. He said, you better fucking stop, or like, shut the fuck up, or something like that. And then I like pushed and got him off or whatever, and he like walks out of the room. I'm not crying at this point. I'm sitting there in fucking shock. I'm like, he did not like, I put my shoes on and I walked outside. I took a little bit of a walkie walk and I came back. And so I was like, what the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck? Like, I had walked down the street to go like see Bree. She saw the fucking mark on my neck and she was like, what the fuck? I was like, yeah, this shit's like actually happening right now. And I go back in the house and I tell his fucking uncle or whatever. I was like, look, blah, so-and-so, like, this happened. He was like, what the fuck? And he, like, told Eli not to do that shit again, whatever, you know. That was horrible. And I want to clear up the rape story as well. I want to make it very clear, and as much as I don't want to give him credit, Elijah never raped me. It wasn't rape, like, you know, like, in a form, like, in a way, a lot of people consider this rape. And I kind of am like, I feel like more sexually coerced than I was raped. So basically I was like not feeling good. So I was in the bathroom like throwing up or whatever, and he like came and sat next to me and was like, I know how I can make you feel better. And I was like, no, I'm not really feeling it. You know, like I said no probably like a good 20 times. I was like, no, we're not. No, we're not. No, we are not. No, we're not. And eventually he got me to say yes, and so then we had sex. I don't feel like that was rape. I think that was being sexually coerced, and that's a different, like, thing. Like, I'll put the definitions of both. I feel more in the sexually coerced like section of that than like, you know, raped. So I also want to make it very clear, you can't have emotions around Eli. Sadness specifically, he can't handle it. He has too much going on up here, like mental problems going on, that he just cannot mentally handle emotions from other people. I would be crying, like telling him what he was doing wrong and how like horrible he was making me feel. And he would tell me to shut the fuck up. He would say, "You're being a baby, just shut the fuck up. You've got nothing to cry about," like all this shit anytime I was sad. Anytime I was sad, he would do that shit. He never comforted me a single time, but always thought that I should comfort him when he cried. But like, it's just frustrating because I was there for him and he wasn't there for me. You know, I want to make it very clear that Elijah is not loyal, as if like, so here's like the thing. He was cheating on his girlfriend of 4 months with me and with 5 other girls. So there were 6 girls total that Eli cheated on his ex-girlfriend with. I also want to like point out that almost all of Elijah's ex-girlfriends are under the age of 15. Or 15. They're like 15 and under, and he is about to be 18. So you can take that as you want. I was the oldest female that he's been with. So I tried to like help him mature and give him like what he needed to grow up, and I guess he likes having power. So younger females, he has power over them. So he likes them. He did not have power over me. He could not control me, and I think that's why we like had problems so bad. And you guys got to remember, I was with him almost all the time, all day long, and it was just exhausting for both of us, and I don't think me and him were fit to be together 24/7. So it was just bound to be bad. Me and Eli, we fought all the time, and he is a very angry person. He's supposed to be on medication for his anger, and he's not. He got off of them in the middle of our relationship, and he just turned into this piece of shit person. And I'll give him credit. When he's on his medication, he's a lot better of a person. And it was after he got off that he started treating me like shit. So I don't know if the medication has something to do with that or not. A lot of people ask how we met. We met in a psych ward. I don't want to talk about it too much. I didn't give him any attention in there, like, at all. So he started dating this one other chick in there. It was just a lot. There's also, like, rumors that we were trying to have a kid. We were. And that was on both sides. It wasn't just him trying to fucking get me pregnant and whatever. It was a mutual thing. Embarrassing. But Elijah is not loyal. At all. I don't think he's ever had a girlfriend that he didn't cheat on, and he like openly admitted to that before. Except for one girl, and I think her name was like Alondra, Alexandria, something like that. Is the only chick he's never cheated on. That's all he said. He said openly that was the only girl he hasn't cheated on. Like, cause like I was like, there's no girl you haven't ever cheated on, and he said her. That was the only girl he mentioned. He didn't mention no other chick he's been with. So, ladies, I've all been cheated on by him if you're watching this and your name is not whatever that girl's name was. Alright? And I want to make it clear that he cheated on fucking his girlfriend now with me, who I didn't know existed either. So he cheated on 2 bitches with me. 3 girls with me, actually, because there was his ex-girlfriend, his other ex-girlfriend, and his current girlfriend, who I think is his ex-girlfriend now. Like, while I'm editing this, it makes it seem like I was proud that he did that. I just want everybody to know I didn't know any of those 3 girls existed at the time of the incident. So, yeah, I only found out after. I'm very confused. So 3 other of his ex-girlfriends, I'm pretty sure he cheated on with me. Just want to clear that up. Just want to like, oh, it's just, he's not loyal, bro. He's not loyal at all. Like, he'll be all buddy-buddy with someone and then fuck another girl. It's weird. It just happened the other day, actually. Like, supposedly, like, he was dating this one chick and then he fucked his ex-girlfriend. I don't know. It's just weird. He's just a horny asshole. He'll fuck anything he's got. Like, I've seen some ugly ass bitches his dick has been in. And I'm like, no. So, he's not loyal. He's abusive. He manipulated me into staying with him because I tried to leave multiple fucking times. He's fucking cheater. God. He's a horrible fucking friend. You know what I mean? How can you hit a female? Bro? How can you put your hands on a fucking female? Disgusting. I don't know how you can do that shit. And he is also gonna bring up the fucking laundromat thing. So let me clear that up first. I didn't really do anything. You know, I fucking pushed him. And then he fucking beat on me. Like, he fucking, like, just fucking, I don't know, bro. He, like, here's photos of the incident. Say he's not abusive, and here's your fucking proof. I'm done. I am done letting the world think that he's a good person. He rapes girls. I have a couple names. I won't mention them. He beats females. I have a couple names. I won't mention them. They're all minors, so I don't think it's, like, right for me to talk on them. You know what I mean? They're all fucking minors. He beats on girls, he rapes girls, he manipulates girls, you know, all of the above. Eli is a horrible fucking person. And I'm done being quiet. I'm done letting girls get hurt by somebody who needs to be in a fucking psychiatric place. Like, he needs to go to long term and get some fucking medication and some counseling. And he probably would come out perfectly fine. He had a shit childhood, and he blames that on the way he acts. You can't fucking blame. When he choked me out, bro, that one time, he literally said, well, I watched my family do it, so shut the fuck up. I don't give a fuck what you watch your family fucking do. That's not an excuse to fucking put your hands on me. I don't do the abuse shit, bro. I don't do it. I don't know how many times I had to tell him not to put his hands on me, bro. Alright. So here's the point of the video. Elijah Smoots is a fucking woman beater, a fucking rapist, a fucking piece of shit human being that's going absolutely fucking nowhere. And I hope you all fucking know that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed having this lovely talk with me. I'm done. I'm the victim of this shit. I didn't cause it. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope y'all learned not to fuck with him out of this video. I don't know. Bye.